So why employability matters in hospitality? Because again, hospitality industry is one of the most competitive and people-driven sectors in the world. Employability isn't about landing a job. So it's about having a combination of skills, knowledge, and attitude that makes you indispensable to any team and memorable to every guest. Sa among lesson or sa among klase sa college, just like in the elementary, di ba na ay lesson plan si teachers elementary, so as in high school. Ang amo, we call it syllabus. And sa syllabus, ibutang na siya namo ang usa ka topic. Example, the topic is employability. So why do you need to discuss that in the class? Unsay makuha sa bata nga knowledge, unsay makuha sa bata nga skills, ug unsay makuha sa bata nga attitude. So before, that was before 2016, 2016 manisugod ang kuan, ang senior high, grade 11 of 12. Ang gi-specify or gi-emphasize is TSA. So ako guna siyang gi-emphasize sa klase para dili mo malimot Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. TSA, knowledge comes first, then skills comes next, and then attitude comes last. Okay, karon amo na siyang gibali starting 2016. So nahimo na karon as attitude, okay, skills, and knowledge. Bahalag wala kay skills, bahalag wala kay nahibalaan if naa kay attitude as of this time, daog na, according to our president. Okay. If you have the knowledge as of this time, delikado ka. Okay. If you have the knowledge kuno nga awas-awas. So the best type of knowledge is the average knowledge. We do not appreciate already the above average because most of the time the above average person are the one that is having troubles. So mo na yang emphasize. Ang imo na to above average is our attitude because the knowledge will open the gate. Okay, the skills will let you stay in the gate for a limited period of time, but it will be attitude that will land you what is inside the gate forever unless you wanted to retire. So mauna siya. So sa una KSA, karon it's attitude, skills, and knowledge. So same thing as with what the TESDA is doing. If you have your friends, your relatives, and anybody that is having some of the NC2 certificate in TESDA, national certificate too. Iba mo agi man nag-assessment. So the assessor in the TESDA will usually say that I am, example ha, my name is Abigail Dunesa. I will be your assessor for the food and beverage services, NC2 National Certificate 2. I am going to let you do some of the activities and I am going to grade you based on. So pag orientation pa lang daan, before the assessment will happen, may nguna daan na ang assessor that I am looking into your attitude. How eager you are to pass. Okay? Because among field, in the academe, di ba may mga master's degree, doctorate degree, and it happens already before that when we submit ourselves during the assessment, ang usa ka doktor na kung kauban ni appeal because he did not pass the assessment. So yung giyaw-yawan si TESDA representative, why do you have to tell me what do you know about my specialty? So, ningon na po si TESDA, we are looking into your attitude. We are only having a few issue about your skills and we don't have any issue about your knowledge. Inyo na. Kamoy nakabaloan na. In fact, I don't know, ningon ang babae nga taga TESDA. In fact, I don't know everything about your refrigeration. Kay doktor man to siya sa sana? IT, BSIT. Gani ang IT technology. So niingon si TESDA that I don't have questions or diwa na ko gi-question imong knowledge about refrigeration but I am looking into the attitude. So as of this time, employability matters in hospitality because of the attitude problem. Okay ka na. Sige, next slide. Wait lang. Saan mo ni pag-erase man? Oh, wait lang. Annotate. Erase. Okay, nalagay. The heart of his hospitality is people and experience. Wala gibutang diri that the heart of hospitality are robots and machines. It's always the people that are living, people that are alive. So it is always a people first industry, or we sometimes call it as service industry. So by the time that mo apply ang bata na mo first year pa lang, mo apply na gani na siya o unsa ni hospitality industry or tourism industry, we're always asking, ano kang i-apply diri? So mingon siya nga, I wanted to work in the hotel. Do you have or are you fond of communicating to people? So this is just the question in the industry. So may gani siya, may ma-distinguish na mo that the student is a little bit shy. Amo na siyang pirahon dayon. Probably you can transfer to Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, or probably you can transfer into accountancy, mga ana, or the office administration, because most of the time you will be talking to the computer, or you will be facing the computer most of the time. But in the hospitality industry, we are dealing with a lot of people every day. So maka-relate ani Ma'am Abby, si Ma'am Vina kay sa factory man ni siya. Hala, wait lang. Low battery. So I think Ma'am Vina is only dealing with the machines every day. Si Ma'am Janet is also dealing with people, but she's dealing with the same people every day, dealing different people. So she's a supervisor in the housekeeping in the school. So every day she's just talking with the cleaners in the janitorial services. Dira the same people, pagkaugma the same. Sa atong service, Ma'am Ja, sa hospitality, sa restaurant industry, lahi atong guest karon, lahi na pud ugma. Okay, maldita karon, mas maldita ugma. Pinakamaldita, pinakasunod nga ugma. Mga ingana gani. So it's a people first industry, and we cannot just say no, because again, our salary is coming from this kind of people. Okay, all kinds of people. So hospitality is built on creating memorable experience to the guests. Every interaction from check-in to check-out, or from the time that they get into the restaurant up to the time that they go out, from a meal to a concierge recommendation, shapes how a guest feels and whether they return. Okay, so fortunate enough that the Filipinos are known for its hospitable attitude or hospitable behavior. Luckily naman, but when you are, or even kamo siguro, if you are going to the Philippines and when you are checking in the hotel, I think the hotel guests or the hotel employee naman in the Philippines have exceeded our expectation. So most of the time, even in Manila, bahalag ka plastikan na nila. If you are in the hotel, you will be always wanting naman to come back because of the way people will treat you. Okay, and that's also a decision whether you're going to return or not. That's in the Philippines. So it's more than the technical ability. When you say technical ability, it's more than how fast our hands is. If we do not communicate with people, if we do not have service to the people other than what we are doing with our bare hands, we still cannot succeed. So success in hospitality industry hinges on far more than knowing how to operate a system or follow a recipe. It requires interpersonal traits, emotional intelligence, and resilience to thrive under pressure and adapt seamlessly across diverse cultures and contexts. Okay, more than again technical ability, more than how fast you are in making the bed, more than how fast you are in making the cocktails and how good you are in making the coffee, we need still to have strong guest first mindset, especially the frontliner people. So the people that are working in the bar, the people that are working in the coffee shop has to be open for communication. If he is multilingual, it would be an edge, mas maayo. Cross-cultural awareness, he knows it that when there is a Japanese guest, he needs to bow. He knows it that if there is Indian guest, the way of saying yes is sideways and not frontways. And he needs to be trained to work with grace under pressure. Nakay kuan dira, Ma'am Abs, you have ice carving sa imong restaurant?
Naa, ma'am.
Inside card.
Ang amuhang ano sa ma'am, Oriental chef ma'am. Grabe ka na kanindot. Ay, wala pala ako na-send sa imo ma'am no. Bisaya ako sa yung picture.
Okay. Pero kuan siya, kanang, ano tawag ani? Babaan siya, makigistorya siya, or dili ra
Dili
pod.
ma'am, kay lalaki man siya, tiguang na na lalaki, dugay na siya. Actually ma'am, ang background niya ma'am is graduate siya accountancy.
Hmm?
Mm.
Asa siya nga school? Ah, diri sa Pilipinas? Asa yung lahi?
Dili. Sa man siya ma'am sa India.
Ah, ang sa barko na mo sa una, it's an Indonesia. Perti kaayo siya mo ko, may mga swan. Kanang
O
mga
inana pud
tiny
ma'am.
population. Hala, dili, wala nakaabot 10 minutes niya, ma'am. Galing kay problema ra niya, dili siya makakommunicate og English jud. Maglisod jud siya
Mm.
di English. So by the time ko interviewan siya, naluoy gani ko kay, di ba nihawa na ko. So kanang mga friendship that is coming from the same barko, mga musta ko niya, kamusta si Chef Eka? Chef Eka is from Indonesia. Doon siya na siya kay, kuan man na, no, kanang, asa na, color coding man na iyang, asa na, necktie, mo po din yung color coding.
Dili
So
ma'am.
yellow tie na ko na siya Japol. Pareha man gud nagkuan, pareha unsa na karate gani ang yellow belt, green belt. Wala ang tawon pero nara siya increase nga gamay. Mas mayon ta tung dako iyang position. Ma'am Bina, sorry ha, malimot ko. Baby, can you understand lang? I hope you can just kuan, well, you can just comprehend. Baby is having an Ilonggo blood pa din. So she can still communicate. So that's the reason why the work of art of Chef Eka is under technical ability. The only problem is wala siya soft skills. So she is really making kay mo katong ni sa football gani nga FIFA. Ni FIFA way back 2004 or 2005. I think that's it. Kadali ra niyang gi-carve ang ice and then after few minutes nakahimo siya man that is kicking a ball with a jersey and naay nawong from the ice. And then pag ana na niya kay ang finishing touch is ila man ang sadyaan og tubig kay para mas smooth siya ang ice. And it's also one of the entertainment during the barbecue party that is happening every Saturday in the cruise ship. So people would usually have a very loud applause for him. But then as of this time, sige siya the same ra iyang the same iyang position. Because I think the problem with him is that he do not want to talk to people. Okay, if walay ice carving, he is a staff in the gelato bar. So that's an ice cream bar that is in the pool. So dira ra na siya sige, so because he cannot communicate. So that's one of the hindrance because he is technically perfect but then wala siya experiences with the people. Okay, nakagisend, ma'am?
O na, mao na siya ma'am. Mao na yung mga
Ay,
sample niya.
wow! Siya, ane? Pila ni
Oo.
siya ka-minutes niyang gikuan?
Usara na siya, murag nag-start siya ka ng gabi eh. Ang ina na mga 2 to 3 hours man daw iyahang usa. Kay
Ano
daghan man
ba
ma'am,
amo?
dili
Dili,
man
siya
usa.
kaayo, ma'am.
Dili man
Ako
usa
na.
daghan.
Sila? Kana, dagan siyang gitrabaho.
Dili ra
Iyang
lalain og kana sa ice carving ang iyang buhaton. Tulo upat inana.
ah, murag na ay YouTube si Chef Eka. Batanon siya, di yung dili man gud mo istorya ang chef.
Pero ang part ni Chef Tapas ma'am, dili siya kabalo magluto. Kabalo siya magplano, organize
Or
o carving mo na iyahang ano niya, iyahang strength niya.
carving ice. So naa siya dapit dira sa kuan na siya sa technical skills Japan chef carving Indonesia. It's carving. Kaya naman ko ni siya YouTube, nag-videohan siya sa usa ka kuan, sa guest, and then gi-post, share, rush. Kaya kanang iya, di man maabtag 10 minutes, dali ra man kaayo.
Mhm. Dako man gud ni siya ma'am. Dako asin dako gud ni siya ma'am.
Kada yung, kaning gipapadala ni mga picture, pwede sa
Oh, dako
kuan,
na siya ma'am,
gamit pa
taas na
siya
siya.
stairs.
Hmm. Dili na siya gabay,
Mga
dako
mo
jud na
kay
siya.
lamisa raman, lamin. Wapa.
Na para siya gikan ma'am kanang temple.
Wala pa siya intern. Oo. Nana po Chinese New Year, ganang mga lantern-lantern.
Mm.
Pero maora, I think, ang hindrance niya is, the hindrance that he is into is the ability to communicate with the people. Okay. Yeah, sure. Ang akong laptop, giminupos na po. I think Ma'am Janet is working. So, dili siya ka, unsa na, ka-explain pod. Unsa na ta? Okay, people first industry or the service industry. Face under pressure. Okay, especially in meeting the deadline, especially in preparing for the VVIP guests, okay, especially in the preparation of the major event. And of course, you are not just dealing with the guests outside, you're also dealing with the colleagues. So sometimes we call it external or internal guests, internal and external guests. External guests are paying. Internal guests are the one that you are working with. They are still considered as a guest because you are still paid to be good to them.